AI video generation is exploding right now. But most people don't know you can create videos using Arena AI. No editing skills, no experience. Just type and generate videos. Today, I'll show you exactly how to do it step by step. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you want to learn AI tools, content creation, and online earning, make sure to subscribe. Today, we're going to learn how to generate videos using Arena AI. Step 1. Open and log in. First step, open your browser, Chrome recommended. Search for Arena AI. Now click on the website. Click Login. Choose Continue with Google. Select your Gmail account. And just like that, you're logged in. Step 2. Open Video Arena. Once you're logged in, look at the left side menu. Click on Video Arena. This is where the magic happens. This section allows you to generate videos using AI prompts. Step 3. Enter video prompt. Example. Now let's create a video. In the prompt box, type, "Create a short cinematic video of the two cute babies which are setting in park. Says subscribe Easy Tutorial Hub." Then press enter. Step 4. Wait for generation. Now the AI starts working. It will generate videos using 2 different AI models. This can take 1 to 10 minutes depending on traffic. Just wait until both videos are ready. Step 5. Watch and compare videos. Now you'll see 2 videos on your screen.
We're so cute.
Video A,
Please
video
subscribe
B.
to eTutorial
Play both
Hub.
videos.
Hi,
Compare quality.
Sakabri.
Check motion, clarity, and details.
Subscribe.
Then click on the video you think is better.
Tutorial Hub.
And don't worry if you see a watermark on the video. No need to panic. At the end of this video, I'll show you how to remove it easily. Step 6. Vote and reveal. When you click, Arena AI will reveal which AI model created each video. Your vote helps improve AI rankings globally. Step 7. Download video. If the download option is available, click Download, save the video. Now you can use it for your content. Watermark solution. Now, as I promised, let's fix the watermark problem. If your video has a watermark, you can remove it using CapCut, crop or overlay method, Canva, resize or cover method. Simple trick. Crop the video slightly, or add text, logo on top. And your video looks clean.
Hi, everyone. We're so cute. Please subscribe to eTutorial Hub. Hi, Sakabri. Everyone, we're so cute. Please subscribe to eTutorial Hub. Hi, Sakabri.
Alright guys, that's how you can generate videos using Arena AI step by step. If this video helped you even a little, make sure to hit the like button. And don't forget to subscribe for more AI tutorials, because I'm bringing more powerful tools like this very soon. Also, comment below. What kind of videos do you want to create using AI? And yes, if you want the best prompts or no watermark tricks, just check the description. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.